welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Onsen Tamago. Onsen is hot spring and Tamago is egg. So Onsen Tamago is eggs slow cooked in hot springs. You don't need to have onsen or hot spring in your backyard. You can easily do it in your kitchen. Let me show you how. Bring 1 liter water to full boil. Turn the heat off and I'm adding 100 milliliter room temperature water. 4 cold eggs straight out from the fridge into the hot water. Put the lid on and leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, just take them out in ice water and chill them completely. It's completely chilled. Let's see how it looks inside. When you cook half-cooked boiled egg yolk is nice and soft, but egg white is completely cooked. But this one has nice soft egg white and egg yolk is still nice and creamy inside. You can have this as is with dash of soy sauce and some condiments like sliced green onion, but you can also use it as a topping for udon noodle, soba noodle, gyudon or curry. So just be experimental and find the best friend for Onsen Tamago. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!